All right, let's do this. It's damn hot right now. I'm in a suit. Good thing the conference room has the AC turned on at max, as I told them to turn on the max. I mean, I'll be nice and comfortable. The attendees are gonna be freezing their asses off.
Just mic yourself up. Hey.
All right, time to mic me up.
Am I miking you up or what?
Sure, I know someone's gonna mic me up.
This will be like the last time
this is
I'm
my
mic
presentation.
John up, right?
Yeah, might be the last time you mic me up. But
Can we
Sure.
unplug this flashing
there you go.
Yeah.
Every single seat's full, right? So
Yeah.
I have a full house today.
light?
Okay.
Hope so, John.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Everyone hears me. Awesome. Yeah. All right.
Right?
What is happening? I'm gonna.
Turn it back on. Here we go.
Huh?
They don't call him the god of vlogging for no reason. That's what I've learned. It's just goldness. I really think you should put all this stuff and sell it because it's just worth so much to me, to my business. So if you get the chance to speak to John and to listen to him talk, do that.
I actually think with what I heard from John Chow that I can go home and make $1,000 in my first month.
You think money out of thin air, literally?
The golden nuggets that I got from him are just immense.
So many golden nuggets from this guy have been absolutely, I think the word I use in British language is gobsmacked.
Okay. Now, I need you to clap twice.
You need a clap for
Yeah,
me?
clap. Okay, you can begin now.
Okay. Hey, this is Julie here in Costa Rica. Today I'm at the Titanium Mastermind.
All right. You guys, where you from?
Aaron and Jeanette Warner from aaronandjeanettewarner.com.
And what you guys think of my presentation today?
It was outstanding. We learned a lot. There was a lot of things that are easily applicable to the business, and your presentation style has just been outstanding. You've been patient with us as an audience at times, and just a lot to learn. Really appreciate it.
All right, thank you. Okay, if you're wondering why we call this resort a Sunset Del Mar, there's your answer. The sun is about to set. It's going down. It looks absolutely beautiful, actually. Wow. And it's kind of cool. I was told, don't stare at the sun, but I could actually, it's not hurting my eyes. The beach here is very, very nice too. You can see. The sun's going down. Sun's going down. Everyone's taking pictures and videos of the sunset. I'm taking a video of her taking a video of the sunset.
Yes, that's beautiful. Costa Rica, that's why they call it sunset.
Yeah, look, it's halfway down already. That's kind of cool.
Yes, oh my gosh.
Within a few minutes, we're just gonna
It'll
go
be
over the
gone.
horizon and boop,
Yeah.
that's it. It's gone.
Yeah,
That is so cool.
yes, so beautiful. It's like it's going in the ocean.
Yeah. It's an egg yolk about to be swallowed up by some super guppy.
Beautiful.
Yeah, well, I noticed once it starts setting, it's like it sets really fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sets really fast. Like
Yeah.
it's almost gone. Maybe I'll do a time lapse. I'll just speed up the video. Okay, we're gonna speed up the video so it sets. And it's gone, just like that. That is so cool.
So cool.
There you go, Sunset Del Mar. What did you thought of my presentation?
Your presentation was really good, John Chow. I could not have gotten all this information in any other website and any other training except here, and I love it.
All right, so you were at my presentation. What did you think of it?
I really enjoyed it. In fact, I joined more because of you. I went through your funnel. I was really impressed with your ebook, the way you talked about the different forms of marketing. So that really convinced me. And you were very giving in terms of doing video for everybody. So I recommend anybody would come down here. I enjoyed the whole MOB Summit, and I enjoyed your presentation. I would recommend anyone join your funnel and follow you. That would be the best thing you could do.
Let's get a few more testimonials here. All right. So, You were at my presentation.
I was.
What did you thought?
I absolutely loved your presentation. So I do a little blogging as it is, but you've given me some insights I didn't know existed. Thank you.
All right, awesome. Thank you. Give me your thoughts.
Hey John, that was so cool. Like a lot of information, a lot of learning, and this is like getting us ready for the next step. Thank you for everything you did. Thanks.
One day listening to John Chow speak at the Titanium Mastermind in Costa Rica, and I have a 6 months worth of material to go and process and put into action. Absolutely amazing speaker. Definitely check him out if you get the chance.